today I'm going to show you how to download a Counter-Strike Nexon Zombies by using a VPN software. So as you can see, I'm from Pakistan and doesn't support on my country, so I have link that I've searched on this type of error showing. This item is currently unavailable in your region. So how to get rid of this? First, there is a link. There is a VPN software called uh, Tunnel Bear VPN software. It is a very best software and easy to use it. So I am going to copy this link and go to the Tunnel Bear. So you have come on the Tunnel Bear's website. You will go before you download, make sure you already sign up or create your account for this Tunnel Bear. So when you sign up successfully, go to download. It is also available on your Mac and Windows and iOS and Android. So I will going to choose Windows because I'm using Windows 10. I will going to cancel this download because it is already downloaded and installed on my computer. So I will going to close this both. As you can see, I have already installed this and make sure the Steam launcher and the Chrome both are closed. So first we are going to open the Tunnel Bear that I have already opened it. This will show up. When you are using this Tunnel Bear, you will first see a login sign. You have to first log in on this account in order to use this. So I will going to choose Canada, which support other countries. I don't know, but I don't know. I know that it also support Canada, so I choose this. So I will going to turn on the Tunnel Bear. It doesn't take too much long, but it depends on your internet speed. So in this case, I will going to skip this part of this video. So as you guys can see that it is successfully connected on Canada. What you have to do to open up the Steam and open up the Google Chrome. Make sure you sign in the Steam and go to the game link that I have posted on the description. That is Counter-Strike Nexon Zombies. So it is loading. So you have successfully connected to the VPN. You have successfully get this link. So you can see this, and now for the Steam that you have already logged in, don't just imagine it is not available because it is already installed on my main account. That is why it is showing. I don't know why. So go to the link and click on play game, or if it's got Steam. Yes, we have already Steam is installed. Play this game now. I will going to skip this. I will going to skip this. I will going to exit this part because this game is already installed. But when you started to download the game, it will show this type of screen, and Steam is downloading the Counter-Strike Nexon Zombies on the download tab. It will going to show Counter-Strike Nexon Zombies download. So what you have to do, there is some kind of little message I have to show you. When your Counter-Strike Nexon game is started to download, pause the download. Yes, you have to pause the download and turn off the Tunnel Bear VPN software. Yes, you have to turn off the VPN software before starting the download. Yes, you have turned off this VPN software successfully, and then when its VPN is fully off, and finally you can resume the Counter-Strike Nexon Zombies download. Yes, when you successfully close the VPN software, now you can turn on the man, I don't know why it's closed, but don't worry. When you resume the Counter-Strike Nexon Zombies, you will successfully downloading the game. When you successfully complete this download, make sure to re-log in and play the game, so you are able to play the game. That's all for today, and please like and subscribe the video for our more upcoming videos. If you're having some more issues or problem you faced, I hope let me know, comment down on my channel. Thank you.